A top orthopedist in Manhattan winds up doing a knee replacement on a patient, but fails to recognize he put it in the wrong position. Would you like to learn what this is all about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable story. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The knee replacement surgery went beautifully. The patient goes into recovery afterwards and now is asked to move her leg. And she begins to feel a little problem toward the back of the knee, but is told, don't worry about it, it's normal postoperative pain. Every single time that the patient returned for follow-up over the next 3 months, the patient was having significant pain at the back of the knee. What was interesting was that the doctor never bothered to get a post-operative x-ray to confirm the proper placement of the hardware for this knee replacement. So now, as the patient began to walk on her leg, she noticed she was having more and more pain, and it didn't make any sense. The doctor kept telling her, don't worry, it's normal post-operative pain. Finally, she was fed up. She said, doctor, please take an x-ray. Please tell me what's going on. The doctor refused to do it, said, don't worry, you're absolutely fine. So she got so fed up, she went to another orthopedist and explained what had happened, that she had a knee replacement surgery, and that she's been having this significant pain in the back of her knee. The second orthopedist tells her, look, here's the x-ray. Your hardware is not in the correct position, and every time you put weight on your leg, and every time you bend your knee, here's what's happening. The hardware is actually hitting this, and now you're having significant pain. There's only one way to fix this. We now have to go back into surgery, take out all of that hardware, and put in new hardware. And so what choice did she have? She had no choice whatsoever. So that's exactly what the patient did. But what was amazing was that the original orthopedic surgeon, who was a top doctor in Manhattan, refused to, number one, take a postoperative x-ray, and totally blew off the patient's complaints about ongoing pain following the original surgery. Every single orthopedist that I consulted, including the second orthopedic doctor the patient had the surgery with, all said the same thing. The first doctor violated the basic standards of medical care by not getting a post-operative x-ray to make sure the hardware is in the correct position, and ignoring the patient's complaints and not getting an x-ray at that time to find out and understand why she was having this ongoing pain. So why do I share this interesting story with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding to what went on in one particular case that I handled, where an orthopedist violated the basic standards of medical care here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.